नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शिव यादव। आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। अब तो आप मुझे पहचान चुके हैं, राइट? चलिए, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर द बिजनेस, फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, स्पेशली फॉर फाइनेंस पीपुल। आप गेस कीजिए मैं किस टॉपिक के बारे में चर्चा करने वाला हूँ। फॉर एनी बिजनेस to run the business successfully, what is most important thing in the business? Just guess. You are right. Today I am talking about cash inflow, right? How to improve cash inflow for any business. So that is the topic for today, which we are going to discuss. So here I am going to discuss total 9 points. If you follow these 9 points, your cash problem of your business is going to decrease if we are going to follow these 9 points, as well as profitability, operating profit will increase. Now, what are those points? You are excited to hear this? Yeah, great. Stay tuned with us. So, point number 1 today I'm going to discuss, that is collect outstanding receivable. Shorten due date on receivable. What does it mean? Every business runs on credit. So whenever we are talking about credits, business runs on credit. So we must follow few points, like we must continuously follow up with our debtors so that we will get the money which is overdue by 90 days, 120 days. Here we need to identify the reason why customer is not paying us on time. आप एक बात को गौर से सुनिएगा, अगर रूट सही रहेगी तो फ्रूट सही होगा। आपने सही सुना, अगर रूट सही होगी तो फ्रूट सही होगा। इसका मतलब ये है, अगर हम कस्टमर को इनवॉइसेस टाइमली सबमिट करेंगे, अगर हम कस्टमर को इनवॉइसेस एज पर द एग्रीमेंट सबमिट करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली वी विल गेट पेमेंट ऑन टाइम। कस्टमर पेमेंट डिले क्यों करता है? There might be reason customer didn't get invoice on time. There might be reason their finance team didn't get invoice on time. There might be reason we have not attached proper document, booking mails, right? That's why they are delaying the payment. If any payment which is pending since last 90 days, since last 120 days, there might be reason we didn't follow the process. So root सही कीजिए, fruit सही होगा। सही से बिल भेजिए, टाइमली पैसा आएगा। Most of the customers are facing issues related to GST. They are unable to see the GST input credit on GSTR 2A portal, right? अब यहाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम आ गई? हमने इनवॉइस भेजा, क्या हमने जीएसटी नंबर सही से इनवॉइस पे डाला? अगर जीएसटी नंबर इनवॉइस पे, तो क्या हमने GSTR1 में फाइल किया? क्या इनवॉइस नंबर सही है? इन सारी बातों का हमें ध्यान रखना है। अगर ये प्रॉब्लम को हम रिजॉल्व कर देते हैं, obviously we will get payment on time. Filing of GSTR1 is very important. Documentation is very important for any timely payment, as well as और आपको क्या फोकस करना होगा? If you want to improve the cash inflow, आपकी invoice timely पहुंचनी चाहिए. So to resolve this issue, what you can do? You can adopt the methodology of e-invoicing. You can submit your invoice with digital signature to your customers. So in one mail, your invoice will reach to customer and they will do accounting on time. Obviously, once accounting will be on time, we as a customer is going to get payment on time, right? और आप क्या कर सकते हो? If you want to improve cash inflow, so wherever is possible, try to minimize the credit period. Right now, we are signing agreement for 30 days, 45 days. This is COVID time. Don't do that. Reduce the credit period. Sign for 15 days, 10 days, if possible. Try to convince the customer. Give them some little discount so that they will sign the agreement for 15 days payment term, for 10 days payment term. Or there might be customer. Try to impress them. Sir, you stay with us on direct payment, you will get this rate, cheaper rate than your BTC rate, right? So if you are going to give this type of offer to our customer, obviously our cash inflow will improve. Now, next, I'm talking about next topic, reduce cost. So cost having two components, fixed cost, variable cost. अब आप बोलोगे यार फिक्स कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करेंगे, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करेंगे तो कैश इनफ्लो कैसे इंप्रूव होगा? सर, अगर आप वेरिएबल कॉस्ट फिक्स कॉस्ट रिड्यूस करेंगे तो कैश इनफ्लो भी इंप्रूव होगा, एज वेल एज योर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी विल आल्सो गोइंग टू बिकम लिटिल मोर. सो कैसे कर सकते हो? You should review your internet cost. What? You should review your internet cost. Day by day, technology is growing. So obviously, bandwidth cost is decreasing day by day. In same rate, you may get higher bandwidth, or you can reduce the price so that you will get same bandwidth. So here you can save the money. Second, transportation. Try to utilize vehicle 24/7. Don't park vehicle in your premises, in your factory, in your organization, in your hotels. अगर आपकी गाड़ी आपके premises में खड़ी है, that is going to cost you. Utilize it. The more you will utilize, more profitability you are going to generate. So review your transportation cost. Minimize your vehicle to improve the cash inflow as well as profitability. Cable TV cost, satellite TV cost. Day by day, technology is growing. Switch to IPTV. Change the pack. We are using 300 channel, 400 channel. Does it require? No, 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 no. Reduce it. Look at your requirement. Again, look at your requirement. As per your requirement, change the plan. Newspaper, hard copy. As much as possible, try to move from hard copy to e-newspaper. Again, this is going to save some money, which will improve the cash inflow as well as your profitability of the business. Garden and landscaping, that is the big expenditure in many organizations. What you can do here? We can change the methodology. We will not call gardener every day. We can call to gardener once in a week, twice in a week. Obviously, your garden and landscaping cost will come down to 50%. Or you can utilize internal staff to maintain that garden landscaping. Or you can use technology for water spray in your garden. Or you can call your gardener once in a month, twice in a month for cutting the tree. This will improve your profitability, as well as you need to pay less to your existing vendor. Obviously, cash outflow improves, right? और आप क्या कर सकते हो? Adopt new setup. I mean to say, whatever store you have, try to maintain all the item from store to direct supply. इससे क्या होगा? स्टोर कीपर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. मेंटेन बुक्स मेंटेन में करने में काफी कम समय लगेगा. मैन पावर की सेविंग है. प्रोसेस सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगी. आपका एंड यूजर डिपार्टमेंट एंड विल बी हैप्पी. आपकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन इंप्रूव होगी. योर कैश इनफ्लो विल इंप्रूव. आपको पे कम करना है, राइट? प्रोसेस विल इंप्रूव. सो लुक एट योर न्यू मेथोडोलॉजी. Look at your AMC cost. If you have outdated software, avoid it. It's time to change. Change the software. You will get good software at a cheaper rate, right? So you should again look at your AMC cost. So it is going to improve your cash inflow as well as profitability. Now, third point, very important, improve internal control. What does it mean? Whenever we are talking about improve internal control, try to control spoilage, wastage, right? Always monitor your garbage. You can judge whether quantity of garbage is correct or not. For example, आपके होटल में बैंक्वेट फंक्शन हो रही है, नॉनवेज पार्टी है, ठीक है, तो वेस्टेज कितनी होनी चाहिए? अगर नॉनवेज पार्टी आपने बिरयानी सर्व कर रखा है, मटन सर्व कर रखा है, इन दैट केस आपकी जो वेस्टेज की वेट होनी चाहिए 100 to 125 ग्राम पर प्लेट से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो अपनी वेस्टेज पे कंट्रोल कीजिए. लुक एट योर गार्बेज विच इज गोइंग आउट फ्रॉम योर प्रॉपर्टी. वेट इट. यू विल कम टू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. टाइमली मॉनिटर कीजिए आपके स्टोर में क्या सामान है, क्या वो एक्सपायर हो रहा है, क्या काफी दिनों से पड़ी हुई है, नॉन मूविंग आइटम है? अगर ये सिनेरियो है, आपका पैसा ब्लॉक हो रहा है, और वो पैसा जिस पे आपको इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ता है बैंक को। तो ट्राई टू कीप मिनिमम आइटम इन द स्टोर, डोंट कीप item which is not in running, avoid to keep non-moving item or minimize the quantity। अच्छी बात है। और क्या कर सकते हैं? Purchase department always need to contribute to improve the cash inflow as well as profitability. They can monitor ordering level. User department is saying, I want this, I want that, I want 200 pieces of shirt for uniform, I need 200 kg paneer, is it required? Always compare. Is your hotel busy? What is your occupancy percentage? And based on that, ordering level need to monitor. Don't block your money with excess order, right? और हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Increase sales revenue, product or service pricing, optimize RevPAR, ADR. So here we can identify opportunity which can generate revenue for your organization, for your factory, for your hotels. If you have space, you can rent out your space. You can rent out your parking space, right? You can monitor price of food menu. You can monitor price of services which you offer to your customer. All the prices should be monitored quarterly, at least half yearly, because if we are going to monitor this, obviously after the analysis around your market, you will come to know what should be right price of your menu, what should be right price of your service. So once it will improve, your profitability will improve, your top line will improve. Once top line will improve, profitability will go high, right? And as well as it will directly related to your cash inflow also. Next point, liquidate assets. What does it mean? किसी भी कंपनी में चले जाइए, किसी भी होटल में चले जाइए, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चले जाइए, दो चीजें होंगी, या तो अनयूज्ड एसेट्स होगा या तो आउटडेटेड एसेट्स होगा। यस, अगर एसेट्स आउटडेटेड हो गया है, आपके बिजनेस में वो कोई सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है, सेल इट, आप उसे सेल करोगे, कैश इनफ्लो इंप्रूव होगा। अनयूज्ड एसेट्स है, आपके प्रॉपर्टी में यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रही है, इंटर यूनिट से ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए, किसी दूसरे प्रॉपर्टी का कैश इनफ्लो इंप्रूव हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इफ यू हैव मल्टीपल यूनिट, दो एस्पेक्ट है, अनयूज्ड एसेट्स और आउटडेटेड। आउटडेटेड को सेल कीजिए, कैश इनफ्लो इंप्रूव हो जाएगी, अनयूज्ड को इंटर यूनिट के थ्रू ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए, दूसरी यूनिट की आपकी कैश इनफ्लो इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। Reduce and control inventory. Inventory always block money. So it's depend कि आपकी inventory turnover ratio क्या है. If your inventory turnover ratio is very high, it's indicate that हमारा मूवमेंट बहुत ही स्लो है स्टोर में, हम प्रोडक्ट परचेस कर रहे हैं, यूजर डिपार्टमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट कम है, इससे हमारा पैसा फंस रहा है, उसे मॉनिटर कीजिए। इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर रेशियो जरूर मॉनिटर कीजिए, स्लो मूविंग आइटम मॉनिटर कीजिए, एक्सपायर आइटम मॉनिटर कीजिए। ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज योर इन्वेंट्री फॉर डे टू डे ऑपरेशन। और क्या कर सकते हो इसके लिए? ट्राई टू बिल्ड अप रिलेशनशिप विद द वेंडर हु कैन सप्लाई यू मटेरियल जस्ट इन टाइम। Try to develop vendor from your local area, from 10 kilometer distance, from 12 kilometer distance, from 15 kilometer distance. In case of emergency, he will supply you material immediately. इसके दो फायदे हैं, इन्वेंट्री आपको कम रखनी पड़ेगी, as well as relationship build up होगा, आपके बिजनेस के लिए भी अच्छा। Next point, set up monthly recurring contract to improve service quality. Whenever we are talking about contract agreement, तो कई बार हम AMCs 1 year के लिए साइन करते हैं, जिसमें पेमेंट टर्म्स 6 month in advance, क्वार्टरली एडवांस टर्म्स होते हैं। I will suggest we should do contract for 1 year or maybe 6 months would be preferable in COVID time. But payment term should be monthly. It should not be in advance, quarterly, half yearly or annually. अगर सर्विस अच्छी नहीं मिली और आपने पैसा पहले से दे रखा है, तो that is the loss for your organization, right? And it will directly hit your profitability. So to improve the profitability, I will suggest go for monthly recurring contract. Don't go for advance payment for quarterly, half yearly, annually, because you don't know if service will not be up to the mark, you will be stuck there. Next, control on capital expenditure. It's a very important. Whenever we are talking about capital expenditure, यहाँ पे हमारे काफी पैसे ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं. या हम रिनोवेशन की बात करें, आपकी फैक्ट्री है, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपकी होटल्स, आप रिनोवेट करोगे, वहां पे काफी पैसा ब्लॉक होगा. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? जितने दिन के लिए आपके पैसे ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं, that is going to cost you. Either make it fast. अगर आप रिनोवेट कर रहे हो तो क्विक होना चाहिए. बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम कर रहे हो, क्विक होनी चाहिए, so that you can easily generate the money from that property. और अगर कोई क्रिटिकल सिनेरियो आ गया, just like COVID, avoid it, delay it. Once market will recover, then you should start the activity. Meanwhile, delay it. Next, access your business performance. This is the best tool. That's why I kept this point in the last. यहाँ हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Whenever we are talking about access your business performance, it means आप चेक करो आपके रूम प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कैसी आ रही है. Is it more than 75% or 80%? F&B प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी up to the mark है, up to the जो आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है उस एक्सपेक्टेशन को टच कर रही है. What is your energy cost? Major big cost for your industry, energy cost. Is it 8%, 9%? कितने पे है? मॉनिटर कीजिए. अगर काफी ज्यादा चाहिए, रीमॉनिटर योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इक्विपमेंट. क्या वो ज्यादा चल रहे हैं, क्या मिसयूज हो रहे हैं, और you want to move from electricity or you want to depend on solar power, wind power to reduce the cost. You need to review your payroll cost. There would be on-roll or outsource employee. Attrition rate, इस पे आप मॉनिटर कीजिए. क्या attrition rate high है? The more attrition rate you have, you are wasting more money on your payroll. क्योंकि जो भी नए बंदे आएंगे, it will take 2 months, 3 months to understand your business, your operation. So that is the learning phase. Again, that is going to cost you. So minimize your attrition. If your attrition rate is high, it means something issues with the culture, work culture, as well as from finance point of view, it is going to impact your profitability. उसके बाद आप एनालिसिस कीजिए, टॉप लाइन वर्सेस जीओपी एनालिसिस. There might be scenario top line is increasing but GOP is decreasing. It's time to recheck everything. If your top line is increasing, GOP is also increasing, you are getting flow through of 60%, 70%, that's a fantastic. But if your flow through is negative, top line is getting high, GOP is not getting improved as compared to top line, it means something going wrong. Relook at your P&L, balance sheet, or company SOP procedure. Obviously, if we will improve all these things, our cash inflow and profitability will increase. I hope this will be a wonderful session for you and useful information I have shared with you. I am also trying to implement all these points in my organization. Obviously, as well as I'm also getting good result. You should also try. And one request, try this point, and what is your feedback, you should mention in my comment box. Namaste. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.